Don't use the markets to feed your need for excitement. Stay out of trouble. Your first loss is your smallest loss. Standing assigned is a position. Learn the basics of futures trading. It's amazing how many people simply don't know what they're doing. They're bound to lose, unless they have a strong broker to guide them and keep them out of trouble. Don't blindly follow computer trading. A computer trading plan is only as good as the program. As the old saying goes, garbage in, garbage out. Program your mind to accept many small losses. Program your mind to sit still for a few large gains. When you have a successful trade, fight the natural tendency to give some of it back. Don't trade many markets with little capital. Trade with the trends, rather than trying to pick tops and bottoms. Do not overstay a good market. If you do, you are bound to overstay a bad one also. Most importantly, cut your losses short and let your profits run. It sounds simple, but it isn't. When you open an account with a broker, don't just decide on the amount of money, decide on the length of time you should trade. This approach helps you conserve your equity, and helps avoid the Las Vegas approach of well, I'll trade till my stake runs out. Experience shows that many who have been at it over a long period of time end up making money.